Hey guys, Troy and Melanie from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And Melanie is making what?
Blueberry muffins.
Oh, blueberry muffins. So we have here something I bought for Melanie a while ago, and she's finally using it and raving about it. This is an old-fashioned hand crank dough mixer, and she's put all her ingredients in there. And then somewhere, I'll show you when she gets to it, there's a hand crank handle that fastens right on top, and you crank it, and then out comes this perfectly formed dough for you. Here she's making bread, right, Melanie? Yeah. Okay, she's been making bread using this amazing old-fashioned utensil. And since this is the Off-Grid Project, this is a perfect device to show you old-fashioned self-sufficiency and off-grid living. A hand crank dough maker. So we'll be back in a minute when she gets that lid back on. So this thing goes down over the top. It's really simple. And there's a clamp here to hold it in place. And then she mixes the dough. Look at that, it makes it easy. You say that's a lot easier than hand mixing?
This is hand mixing.
No, than in a bowl.
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
It's easier.
Takes the labor out of making your dough. That's mixing up nice. Surprising. This frozen? Mm-hmm. Oh, that we picked though, right?
Yeah.
Blueberries we picked ourselves. Look at that. Pretty cool device, huh? You don't find them every day. That's the only one I've ever seen before. That's why I grabbed it. So we've got blueberry muffin dough ready to go and be baked. Look at that, it smells so good. Oh, that's only one batch. How many are there going to be?
I don't know.
Oh, look at that. It smells good. So she made that all with that mixer. Where's the bread? Is it cooking? The bread is still rising?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rising.
Cool stuff. This is homesteading, people. This is the real deal. Home-picked blueberries out of the forest, wild, organic. Not certified organic. Sorry, we didn't pay for the licensing to prove that God makes natural organic blueberries, but I think you did a good job. Oh, can't wait to try them. Look at that. That just came in from the oven. Oh, nice. Well, these are what? Dinner rolls with chocolate chips?
Yeah.
All homemade, all natural. Good stuff. Oh, I didn't see that. So we got, that's the bread, that's the dough you made in the machine, in the hand mixer, right?
Yep.
And this is what?
Banana bread, chocolate chips.
Oh, nice, nice. Well, there you go, guys. Real homesteading. Natural and good. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I better put this camera down before the flies get it all. Please like, subscribe, and share. Follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Hit that bell icon. Get notifications of new videos.